Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you how to give server access to other players. To share access with other players, you'll firstly need to head to Server.pro, then head into the server you want to share with others. On the left, scroll down until you see the Share Access option. All you have to do then is press Add User and you'll see this detailed row of options appear. Firstly, at the top you'll need to enter an email that the user has attached to their Server.pro account. This means that the user you're adding will require an account made with us, so make sure they've done that. Next, you can scroll down and select what kind of access they have. Under this option, you're applying these settings to all the servers in your service. Full access to everything including the server page, backups, share access, change location, and change plan. With this option, they'll basically be a moderator for all services here. You can also separately give them access to backups and server page. In this instance, I want to only give this player access to one of my servers, so instead I'm going to be scrolling down and heading to the Java service. I want this player to only access Java and have full access to everything there. I don't want them to be able to manage the player tabs however, so I'll be deselecting that. Once you're done with that, you can simply add users so it adds them to the access list. You'll then see the list of users that have access to the servers here. If you click on them, it'll also show exactly what they have access to. Remember that at any point you can also remove the user so they no longer have access. You can also update their user permissions if you'd like to remove or add some later on. Since I'm the owner, this is what the page is going to look like for me. I can see everything and access everything. However, the added player will have limited access, so I'll show you what that looks like now. So I've just added my other email previously, so now I've logged on to that email and I'll be showing you what moderators can see. In the main tab it appears as shared here, and say who's shared by. When opening up the server, you can see it looks a little bit different. For example, on the owner's page they can see all services, but here the access player can only see the one we gave it access to. On the main server page there are lock symbols next to everything that they don't have access to. For example, they can't access the server page, scheduler, they can't give other players access or share their location. Now if you head into the actual service, you can see that it's also limited depending on what you've let them have access to. For example, they can't access the configuration of files pages. I also set it so the player would not be able to access the players tab, as you can see, so that's also locked. On the bottom left, the player can also power off the server or restart it, but if you've set it so they can't, they will not be able to do this as well. Well, I don't know about you, but I feel pretty safe knowing that the permissions I give to players are exactly what they get and they can be deleted at any time. Thank you so much for watching. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to contact our support. Bye guys!